Friends, Happy New Year. And heading into 2024, everybody's kind of putting out there. They've got big and spectacular things coming along. And I just wanted to hop on and say, you can count on us for the same old, same old. The day in, day out of living a flower farming life. May seem boring to some folks, but to us, it's the life that we want to live. Farming in the middle of the city, growing an abundance of cut flowers outdoors in a garden with no hoop or greenhouses. And we absolutely love coming alongside others that want to learn to do that and more. And I really want to thank you for following along and for making all this possible. And the TGW crew is just so grateful. We all have the same mission and vision and coming together as flower lovers, farmers, and gardeners, and y'all make it possible.